Are you looking for help with, well, anything? With the power of Polite Help's website and app, you can quickly and easily find someone to handle pretty much any task you may have. Need someone local to fix your bike or help clean your apartment? No problem. Looking for someone that can edit and proofread your latest article? Great! We've got providers all over the world for non-local tasks as well. Receive instant bids on your requests from individuals and businesses. Thanks to Polite Help's in-depth reviews, you'll know who you can count on to get the job done right. Don't forget, you can also use Polite Help to earn money by fulfilling tasks and jobs requested by others. And with our incredible augmented reality module, you can instantly see all the requester and helper posts in your neighborhood, even those in the building next door. We make it easy to stay up to date with new posts in your neighborhood. Just enable push notifications for our app and we'll take it from there. So if you're ready to say yes to an easier and more efficient way to get stuff done, download the app or visit politehelp.com today.